How to change language on web application. Are guys facing issue to change language on web application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grab application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, now scroll down. You can see the option for language over here. Click on it. Now tap on app language. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this section. Now again click on language. Select the language according to your preference. If you want to change the language to Indonesia, then tap on Indonesian. Now go back to your app, and your app will be restarted to change the language. So as you guys can see, our app language has been changed to Indonesian. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna change language on Grab application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.